In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix no DP signal on Dell monitor. Now what this basically means is you are not getting a DisplayPort signal through your monitor right here. Now the DisplayPort is responsible for sending video and sound signals onto your monitor. So when this occurs, this means that your monitor is not receiving any video information from the computer itself. Now there's multiple ways to fix this. Basically, the number one way to do this is to turn off your computer. You then want to unplug the monitor from the wall and disconnect the DisplayPort cable. You then want to wait for around 30 to 60 seconds, reconnect everything and turn it back on to see if that works. Basically, the DisplayPort will then look something like this. Now another thing that we can go ahead and do is to check our source input. We want to use the monitor's menu buttons or the OSD to manually select DisplayPort as the input source, as you can go ahead and see right here. Now you just want to simply navigate through the controls of your monitor, navigate through input source, and then you want to select the DisplayPort option to make sure that your monitor is getting the right video information, which is from the DisplayPort. Now, if that did not work, of course, you want to check for your physical connections. You want to check whether your cable has damages, the port, if the plug itself has debris or dirt. You want to clear everything out from physical damages. You simply want to unplug all of your cables when it comes to the DisplayPort, and from there you want to reseat them, making sure that they are connected properly. Now, as my final advice, you also want to try using another video format or video wires or cables. For example, the second most popular one is going to be the HDMI. Now we also have another wires out there like the DisplayPort over USB-C, the VGA or DVI, but of course the most powerful one on this list is going to be DisplayPort. And so those are the ways in order for us to fix the no DP signal on our Dell monitor. And lastly, you also want to try to update your graphics card if this happens in the future. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.